Hello friends, welcome to my channel Evergrace, and this is Debbie here. Today I am going to show you how to go about making Sattu drink in two ways, sweet and tangy one. So this Sattu drink is very healthy and it's very good to have it during summer's time. You can have it with ice cubes but in other season also you can have it without adding the ice as per your preference. So for the sweet Sattu drink, I have used jaggery for a healthier version. You can always opt for sugar also. So first I am going to show you how to go about making sweet Sattu drink. So for this we will add the Sattu powder into the glass. Then goes 1 pinch of black salt. If you don't have black salt, you can even use regular white salt. Then goes 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And for sweetening, I have used 2 tablespoons of jaggery syrup. If you don't have jaggery syrup, you can use jaggery powder or even the solid jaggery which you get. That also can be powdered and added. And if you don't have anything of jaggery products at home, then you can go with white sugar also. Then after this, I am going to add cold water. Mix it thoroughly such that all the lumps are broken down. Now the powder has dissolved completely. Now I will add the rest of the cold water into it. And here it goes. The sweet Sattu drink is ready. I will garnish it with chopped mint leaves. If you want, you can add ice cubes also. So now next we will make the tangy and salty Sattu drink. For this we will first add the powdered Sattu powder into the glass. Then goes 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, chopped onions, 1 pinch of chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can skip this also, no issues. 1 pinch of roasted jeera powder, 1 pinch of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white salt, which you can increase and decrease according to your choice, and then lastly the chopped de-seeded green chilies. Into this I'll add cold water. And give it a good stir till all the lumps are broken. Now I'll add the remaining water. Now this salty Sattu drink is ready. I'll garnish it with chopped mint leaves. And there it goes. So friends, here I have shown you how to go about making Sattu drink in two ways. This is a very healthy recipe, as I have told you earlier, and also it is very filling. So it can be used as a mid-meal snack also. Thank you for watching to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, share and like, and post your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. Take care.